Hi, Dookie. Good morning. Are you gonna sunbathing again, Dookie? Huh? How are you, Dookie? Are you enjoying the sun, the morning sun? Hey, Daisy, what you go? Hey, what you doing? Daisy. Daisy, Paluti. This dog likes to stay in the sun. Actually, this is in my backyard. I'm looking for all these flowers, like my canna flowers. Look at that. It's so bright red. They're pretty. You know, fall is coming, especially next week. Fall is not bad. I like it because it's not too hot, not too humid, and of course, very friendly to my plants. But this coming winter, these cannas will be die, but they're coming back probably about spring, first week of spring, or yeah, and that's how they grow, and big, and it's tall. These two red cannas are, I think this is the tall cannas, but I had yellow here. They never grow taller. They just like this. They call dwarfs, but I hate that they have to go pretty soon. This winter, they're gonna be dried, and my yards will be sad again. So I wish we have like no winter that will freeze my plants. Those are, and that's my I don't know what you call this now. I forgot. It's like a pump. So I got my yellow butterfly, cutie. So yeah, I have to video all my plants. This is I think iris. This is I planted this one a few months ago, and I think hopefully next spring they're coming. They have a beautiful flowers actually. And this is my Cinco de Mayo collection. This is my collections, my rose collections, and they're growing really pretty, blooming. Especially look at that bright orange. Her name is Cinco de Mayo. I have this canna that I bought from Home Depot, and I tried to divide it into two pots, and because it's a lot in that pot. Hey, are you eating my flowers there, Dookie? So here's my favorite roses, rose bush. Look at the flowers. They got a lot of buds again. I'm pretty sure they're coming out by next week, all these buds. So they're pretty. Her name is Belinda Rose. See how they're beautiful. Every time they have buds, they come out like about 100 buds. So I got a lot of flowers all the time here. Loves to bloom. See how beautiful. This is one of my collections too, and I hope next spring they're coming back beautiful like this. So it's pretty. Love, 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 love. My canna, my favorite canna flower. Their color is peach. So delicious. If this flower can eat, I will eat them. And if this flower can make me skinny, I will eat them too. So scrumptious, delicioso. And my roses, yesterday they were so pretty, very fresh and all opened up. There's another one that is gonna be open. And this one also, guys, this is a berry. The scent was really, really sweet. So every time I I was here, I smelled the flowers on this rose. Um, this is very beautiful, a red, dark, big, big flowers too. They look at these all old flowers now. See, but yesterday they were so pretty. See that one? It's about to dry also. I want to eat them. And my yellow canna. This is um, my yellow canna that loves to flowers too, loves to bloom every time. It never failed me. It's always making me happy. So you know, guys, yellow is one of my favorite colors too. See that? Very fresh flowers there, like a bouquet. So yeah, this is a bouquet too. So well, hope they will not die totally this winter. So I have to research how to keep them during the winter. And my mini roses, they're pretty. See, the flowers are bright too, and it's mini actually, and they are lots of flowers. And my kamote is about to go too. Oh, look at my three, no, four eggplants. So I during the COVID planted all these. So look at there you go. I'm about to have another torta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggplants. Kamote, kamote, kamote. Yan. See, I think I could get another kamote tops here and boiled it and pair with red eggs or dried fish. Right? It's pretty. So I really love my garden. So I'm hoping all this next year, spring, they're coming back. So, well, let me tour you my house. This is my house in the States. My little comfortable house. It's not big, but just me, my husband, and my 2 crazy puppies. We had this tall fence here because this is called privacy fence. So when we're hot tubbing here at the back of my backyard, this is my patio, and this is my hot tub. So I love this in the winter because when winter here, it's nice to be staying in the hot tub. So look guys, I have more flowers here too. This is they called, her name is Honor. This is the Honor rose. And finally gave me a big bloom of, see that flower? See? It's not white, but it's like a cream. It's like when you're getting married. This is a beautiful rose to make a bouquet. See? And my bougainvillea, this is really ang napakakuripot nitong mamunga ay magbulaklak eh, look. It's beautiful flower. The color is purple. But I don't know when it's gonna give me a lot of flowers. Hopefully next year will be a lot. So here's my big flowers of rose. And this one, it's really small when it blooms, but only this probably this week gives me a lot of big flowers. And ito sa atin ito dati, I remember when I was in the Philippines, ang tawag nito is close open. You know, close open. It's pretty. I planted this one in the basket. So I just bought a section of different colors and just put it in the basket. This is my DIY basket. I did this. I did not buy it because if you buy this one in the nursery, it costs you a lot of money. So I bought a lot of different kinds of flowers and just put it in the basket. So yeah, so I have some flowers too in my patio, and my dahlia used to have a lot of flowers this one, but it never gives me a lot already, so I guess it's time to go. My rose of Sharon, so this is a Chupon rose of Sharon. It's pretty when they bloom, and there's a lot too. So my violets and my bougainvillea, but it never give me a flower. I don't know why. So it seems like uh, just just like this. It probably when it's time to bloom, it's blue. And I put a little bit of close oven. They call close oven this one. It's a beautiful color actually. This one is fuchsia. So I did all this one. I did plant. This one is really small. I believe it's just like three branches, and I just put it in the big pot, and it just grow like that too. And this is the another bougainvillea, beautiful colors too. You know, in the Philippines they collected these. You know, they're gone crazy. I think last year or this year they gone crazy. So this is my white delightful bougainvillea. Last few months ago it was a lot, and now it's just trying to change another new leaves, another roses that I supposed to dig a hole, and I can't. I just don't have time. This is a pretty flowers too. So yep. And welcome to my another. This is my old roses, and these guys, I'm telling you, it's really beautiful colors, dark fuchsia, and it smells really good. See, this morning they were not open yet, but now I come out like about noon, and then they already open. See, when this morning they just like this, and now they were open now. See, pretty. Yeah, I love my roses. Look how big, and smells really good, guys. So delicious. I want to eat them. Yum, 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 yum. I'm smelling actually. Oh my God. So smells really good. My God, I'm gonna go and change and take a picture of this. So this is my beautiful fuchsia rose, and my yellow. See, pretty. Actually, this is a rose climb. This is a climbing rose. Excuse. Hindi na ako marunong mag English. So this is all I can show you my backyard, guys. So this is my backyard, ang aking munting garden, ang aking munting bahay. See, that's my neighbors. You know, living here in the States, it's not like you will have to know all your neighbors here. You barely see them go outside. You only see them when they have to throw their trash, actually. So that's the sunflowers that I supposed to paint until now I haven't. So some of these plants that I throw because I thought they would die. See, they're growing. So, well, guys, thank you. Bye-bye. Love, love, love. I got this feeling.